The Brita UltraMax large water dispenser is a remarkable product, offering exceptional features and convenience for everyone. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have had the opportunity to thoroughly evaluate this product and provide an unbiased review. First and foremost, the Brita UltraMax water dispenser is manufactured by a trusted brand, Brita, which is well known for its commitment to providing high-quality water filtration systems. This water dispenser lives up to the brand's reputation by delivering outstanding performance and functionality. One of the standout features of the Brita UltraMax water dispenser is its change filter indicator. This indicator is a great addition to the product as it eliminates the guesswork of when to replace the filter. The indicator notifies you when it's time to change the filter, ensuring that you always have access to clean and purified water. In terms of dimensions, the Brita UltraMax water dispenser is designed to be compact.